Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dickinson County in central Kansas, Geary County, Riley County in northeastern Kansas, northwestern Morris County, western Pottawatomie County in northeastern Kansas, Clay County, southeastern Washington County, southwestern Marshall County in northeastern Kansas, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southwest of Barnes to 5 miles northeast of Chapman, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Manhattan, Junction City, Abilene, Clay Center, Blue Rapids, Ogden, Grandview Plaza, Chapman, Wakefield, Riley, Enterprise, Waterville, White City, Milford, Leonardville, Lynn, Greenleaf, Dwight, Oldsburg, and Morganville. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 268 and 317. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The current time is 1:55 p.m.